instance which I am currently running. Okay, so we have created. Okay, suppose I want to stop this instance. So from here you need to stop. But before that, I want to show you, if you want to terminate, I have create one checkbox. Basically, if I want to terminate this instance, I cannot do unless and until I will disable this. Okay, so it is saying there isn't, the default action is for root deleted. Are you sure you want to terminate this instance have termination protection and will not be terminated? So you understood. So that time while creating the instance, I have done the I have I have checked in the checkbox saying that while doing the termination it will ask for warning alert that these instances have been termination protection and will not be terminated. Use the change termination protection option from the instance screen action menu. Allow termination to this instance. Okay. So I have to give cancel here. So suppose if I will stop this also. Okay. Instance state this I want to stop this. Okay. If I want to still, after stopping the instance, what is happening? See, you will find the status here. This is the status. This is the stopping status. It's stopping the instance. So let me instance has been stopped. This is the instance state. It is saying it is stopped. Okay, suppose if you want to terminate the instance now. Instance state, you have stopped the instance. Still it is asking for termination protection will not be terminated. So what I will do? I cannot terminate this instance. So I have to go instance setting. Here I have to go to change termination protection. Here I have to disable this. This is the instance ID. This showing, you can check. Suppose you have, if you have multiple instances, so you can verify the instance with this ID. Okay. Suppose 902. Suppose you want to decommission particular instance, so you need to check. So yes, disable the ID. Now if you are going to terminate, then you can terminate the instance. So yes, terminate. So it is terminating the instance. So let me refresh. There is no instance. It will be terminated. Now it is showing terminated, and after some time it will not. You will not find any instance after some time. This will be, this particular line will not be there after some time. It will not be there. Now it is showing because just now I turned. So fine. Today and now I will show you how to use the Bootstrap script. What is Bootstrap script? Bootstrap script is nothing but a, while booting the instance, that time those scripts will work. So I have written my Bootstrap scripts. So let me go to those sections. So let me start creating the instance again. Okay. So I have terminated this instance. Okay. So now I will create one more instance, launch instance. So again the same procedure. I am going with this. No, I will take this one. Okay. First instance I will take. Okay. I don't require so many things for the practice. I will choose the T2 micro. Here again I am protection against accidental termination. I have shown you. So now add in advanced detail, what I will be doing, I will be writing scripts. So I have all the scripts prepared. I have. Okay, so just select all, copy and just paste here. Okay. So what I am doing here, a bash shell script, same. I will update the OS once the installation is done. Then install HTTP Apache. I will install service HTTP start, check config this. I will go to the HTML directory. I will create one HTML file, index.html. What I will do here, I will create one bucket, okay, in S3. So I will tell the bucket name is my first bucket. My first bucket. Let me give the 082019 first bucket. It will create in the S3, right? The same I will copy here. I have copied. Okay. So here these are the CLI commands. Okay, which I will be later on next section. I will be using the CLI command. I will show how to create EC2 instance through the CLI. So what it will do in S3, it will go MB make bucket in S3, and bucket name is my first bucket 11/8/2009. Then what we'll do, AWS, anytime if you are writing CLI command, you need to write with AWS. AWS, then which services you are working. So you need to put AWS S3. Okay. Then copy what, that this index file, this index particular, this index HTML, this index HTML I will copy in the bucket which I will be creating in S3. Okay. So I'm not doing anything more. This is the only change I am doing for to how to show you what the Bootstrap script is doing. So next go to add storage. The similar way I put 10 GB. Okay. I am not adding here volume. Okay. So next add. Suppose if you want to add tag my second EC2 instance with bootstrap script, my second EC2 instance. So my AC second T, what is the today's date? Suppose 12/08/2019. I don't want to add any other more tag. Second is this. Next, I will create, no, select an existing security group. I have created one security group, right? One is default, this one. I will take the security group which already I have created. Okay. This security group is already there. So select an existing group. So this is the scenario now. Details are there, instance detail, these are the details, the storage, 10 GB GP2, general purpose SSD, tags, I have created only one tag this time. So this is the Amazon AMI, right? So now what I will do, I will launch instance. So it will be asking, it will ask for choose an existing key pair or create a new key pair. I am not going to create any new key pair. Existing key pair is this one. So I will go with this launch instance. So you can see here, you can refresh this. So instance has been is running. I write here my second inst. My second instance. Sorry, add my put my second instance. So it has generated the IP. So what I have done, so I will log into that particular machine. Okay. So it is my Unix. This is my Ubuntu machine. It got disconnected because I have deleted that. So what I will do, I will create one more new session. Let me check what is the IP address. I have not saved this. So the my network is very slow, so that's the reason it's taking too much of time. So I will copy this IP. What is that? 192. So I will go to my putty session, new session. I get 192. So 192 dot 168 dot 0 dot 10 7. Okay. Save this. Let me I will log in this. It is my own virtual Oracle standalone virtual machine, and there I have hosted Unix, Linux, Ubuntu Linux. So I have my key pair is already there. So what I will doing, I will be connecting the EC2 instance. So I need to see the IP address. What is the current IP address? This is the current IP address. So EC2 hyphen USER user at the rate this. This is the EC2 instance IP. Then minus I. Then I need to take this one. This is the PIN. This is the public. I can connect without password to the EC2 instance. Yes. So I got into the EC2 instance. So now I have created one HTML file, right? So cd har www/html. HTML. So just AI index.html. So first, second session. Second session of cloud fundamental EC2. EC2 with Bootstrap. Bootstrap script. So I cannot change this because whatever I have mentioned there. This is the because when I have created this instance, see, if you see the permission, it is saying the root permission. Okay, I have created that instance that time Bootstrap, so I have to go to the root directory. So sudo su. So I got into the root cd. Now you just copy this directory. Now you are in this directory. Now you can change HTML. Welcome to the str bootstrap ser. Now, now it has been done. So now you go to your Internet Explorer. You just go this. This is the IP, right? So now you just put this IP and give. So hello team, welcome to the second session of EC2 with Bootstrap. So your web server has been created and with the Bootstrap script. So you didn't have to manually install HTTP, Apache and all these things. So you can automate the EC2 instance. If you want to install some other things, so you can automate onto particular cell to, you can put your script, you can create your script uh, during the while instance creation. Okay, so that you don't have to create later on. You while So once you have created the script, during the booting it will work, during the booting time it will work, and there will be no manual intervention. Okay, okay guys, so I will be going to the next session. So if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.